Hey, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're out in Epperson, Lagoon in Wesley Chapel. And we're going to start a two-car garage. We're going to do baseboards on this floor. We're going to fill these expansion joints. This color is going to be Dolphin. So we have some detail work around here that we're going to do, as well as the water softener. And then this edge, we definitely got to work with. This is pretty gnarly. So we're going to fix this edge really well and do a round over and make it so that it's easy to drive over. So we're going to have chips on top as far as these baseboards are concerned, and chips on the sides. So I just wanted to stop and insert a couple screenshots, video grabs from the first segment of the video. And what it shows is it shows the apron and the lead edge, then the lead edge, and then part of what the baseboards look like. So as you can see, it was really rough. So we really had to do a lot of detail on this and clean it up, get that lead edge smooth, get all the additional material off the baseboards as well as the floor and stuff like that. Just really clean it up and make it look nice so that when we did the baseboards it would be done the right way. And while we're at it, just because there was so much debris and stuff like that on the apron, we cleaned the apron up too. So it just gave a much nicer look to the project overall. Okay, so we're back. All our prep is done. We have the expansion joints filled and some divots throughout that we'll have to grind back now. But in order to put the baseboards in, we had to remove all the previous paint. This concrete along these edges was really, really rough. So first we had to get the paint off there, and we ground it back with a PCD wheel to get all the chunkies out. So Lauren has taped off the edges. And we're going to get back in there. We're going to make our epoxy mix relatively thick. Cover up most of these voids. But there was a lot of additional prep in order to get this just right. But in the end, it's definitely going to be worth it. Just wanted to jump in with a quick video of the next step. So chips are finally ready to go down. So now you can see we have the expansion joints all ground back. We have the primer coat of epoxy on the baseboards. We have everything taped off. Lauren always does an excellent job of taping things off. And so now we're ready to begin putting chips on the floor. Okay, all finished. Two-car garage with baseboards. We're up in Epperson, Lagoon, up in Wesley Chapel. This color is Dolphin. We just finished top coating. You can see how nice these baseboards turned out. We put a lot of effort into those, prepping them up the right way. Some areas you'll see we took a little paint off the block, but we checked that with the homeowner before doing it. And that was because there was cement on the wall. So we asked him if he wanted us to grind it off and that he would paint it back, and that's what he wanted. He wanted the epoxy done right, and he said I could always just touch up my walls. So here's our details in around the water softener, along with the baseboards back there. And we put a lot of detail into this edge leading into the garage. We took off all the additional cement that was just laying on top, rounded it over really well, and because the apron was in such bad shape, we even ground off the apron so it will look nice too. Looks great. Thanks for watching.
you.